Hello and welcome to this course on R analytics. Let us begin by understanding what exactly is R analytics. R is a programming language which helps us in analyzing data and forming decisions. It is one of the most widely used tools to do statistical analysis on large data sets. Often, we get data in raw or unstructured format. As analysts, it is our duty to use this data to generate some useful information out of it. For example, one might get a daily sales report of a multi-product company from the salesmen across various regions. As a part of the management, we might be interested in gauging the sales trends of various products, or to compare if there is any correlation between the sales of two products, etc. As an insurance company, we might want to analyze the trend of claims one receives to get the correct assumptions for the model henceforth. First and the foremost thing about conducting any sort of analysis is to get the objective in place for the analyst. By objective, we mean the end result that one wants at the end of the whole process. For example, gauging sales trends of different products or getting the trend of claims would be the objectives in the earlier examples taken by us. In our course on R analytics, we will be using various techniques such as hypothesis testing, ANOVA tables, chi-square tests, etc. to conduct analysis on datasets. With the ever-growing world of information, analytics has become more important than ever. Analysis of data helps us make better business decisions, develop better products, and most importantly, serve the customers better. Timely information and analysis done in a correct manner can lead to the business house being successful overnight. In fact, new techniques of machine learning and neural networks help us in conducting certain tasks through machines much faster and with Six Sigma precision. There are numerous day-to-day applications of analytics. Some examples could be a company predicting what kind of books or movies are customers likely to want to read or watch so that such products can be brought into the market. When is a customer likely to jump or say, exit from the particular market and go to your competitor? Thirdly, when would be the ideal time for a customer to quit gambling? Or lastly, on the basis of data, what would improve a lawyer's chances of winning a case or a player's chances of winning a coin toss? In a nutshell, using the data available to us to make the above decisions is called analytics, and doing it in an efficient and effective manner is smart analytics. Decisions are made using facts and not gut feelings. However, one might question that the decisions we take every day are also based on data. Then what is the difference between those decisions and smart analytics? Yes, the decisions we make on a daily basis are also based on past data. We make many decisions in our lives for which we do not use any structured format of analytics. For example, how much fuel should one fill up the car with? Or what are the grocery items we might need on a monthly basis, etc. The reason for not having a structured format to analyze such information is because they are not going to have any significant financial consequence, or the data at hand might be very small. As mentioned earlier, with the ever increasing information in our world, the amount of operational data that is available is increasing, and this big amount of data is hard to memorize and hence needs to be analyzed in an organized and structured manner. However, most big data sources such as Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platforms have unstructured data. This data is typically text heavy and hence cannot be worked on directly. Thus, unstructured data is the starting point, which is then metamorphosed into a structured format before any analysis can be conducted. Strategic use of analysis can be applied to different areas such as: number 1, strategic employee questions. For example, which salesperson is most productive, or which employee has the best skills for the next product line? What is the retention rate, joining rate, or attrition rate? Another area where data is strategically used is to answer product related questions such as: which product is the most or least profitable? Which product is the cheapest? It also helps to address questions relating to the quality level, cycle time, and demand for products. Data can also be used to make financial forecasts. Lastly, as for products, data is also used strategically to answer questions relating to customers. These can be to determine which are the most or least profitable customers, what is the fastest or slowest customer segment, what are the possible reasons for losing customers, etc. To find answers to these questions, we use following analytical tools such as data mining, statistical analysis, predictive analysis or forecasting, correlation and regression, process modeling, optimization, and simulation. All these will be discussed in the subsequent videos. Another question that is often asked is, what is business intelligence? This can be answered by the following 5 questions, namely: what happened? What is happening? Why did it happen? What will happen in the future? What do I want should happen in the future? This process of analyzing the past and present information to build models about the future is what business analysts do through the use of tools like R. R is an open source tool which is easily available. We will first download this software. It can be found on the website. We will be working on the popular Integrated Development Environment (IDE) for R called RStudio. This software has a simple and user-friendly front end and multiple debugging facilities. Once we have downloaded the software R, we will now proceed to download RStudio. We can download the open source license version for our desktop. We will install both the software R and RStudio. We will then run RStudio, where we will be doing all our coding. To begin coding, we go to File and select R script under the New File option. This is the screen where we will be doing our coding in the subsequent video. This is it for this video. Thank you.